Hey guys, Koukun here. I'm here at a multifamily apartment building that I purchased with a couple of partners back in 2018, and this is a property that's currently under renovation, and we're going to be selling it shortly. So let's go inside and I'll show you some of the renovations we're going to do in the next little bit. So this property actually consists of two 3-bedroom units on the main floor and two 2-bedroom units on the upper level. So we have a second story with a staircase on that side of the building as well as one here. So let's go check out this 2-bedroom unit. So in this particular unit, we had a tenant living here until just a month ago, and she and her families have actually moved to one of the other units. So this particular property, when we were deciding to sell the property, one thing we knew for sure is many times these kind of buildings get sold at prices much less than their potential because they're rented at under market rents. So we knew in order to get that best sale price, we were going to have to either get vacant units or units rented at market rent. So this particular tenant was paying well below market rent. So we sort of negotiate with her that she can stay in the building if she were to move into the more renovated unit, but she has to sign a new lease at the market rent, and we were able to negotiate that with her, giving us a vacant unit here, and the one unit in this building that is renovated, she's paying market rent for it. So we now have a lease agreement at the market rent. So if you look at this unit, there was a very old kitchen in here, so we've gutted it right out. We've ordered a brand new kitchen that's going in here. All the flooring, we're going right on top of this existing flooring with a vinyl plank. And we're actually even going to put laundry in this unit. And if you come over here, this is the existing washroom. So we've already installed a new tub. We've removed all the old flooring, the old vanity, the old tiles, everything's been removed. We've replumbed it, and we're gonna put a brand new washroom, nice tiles, it's gonna look sharp. And come on over here. So this is the master bedroom. You can see it's actually quite a spacious bedroom. This particular unit is a bit unique. The other 3 units actually have walk-in closets. But in this bedroom, they've actually opened it up to give just a bigger bedroom space. So all the work in this property is cosmetic, just flooring, paint, kitchens, washrooms, but we're gonna freshen it up. We've put in pot lights everywhere, so if we turn this on, you can see it's much brighter. Yeah, so all of this work, we're trying to create turnkey rental units so that when we sell this building, we can sell the building based on its potential rent and hopefully find an investor who wants a turnkey property and is willing to pay top dollar for a property that they don't have to do anything, they can just rent it out right away. Yeah, so the one tip is you're doing a renovation like this, especially with the kitchen back there, what we found is that the pricing on kitchen cabinets is much higher every time you have a corner. So that particular kitchen, we initially started with a design that had 4 corners where the cabinets went into a corner and continued with an L shape. And the price of that was the same as some of the larger kitchens we've done in entire homes. So we really realized, okay, let's cut this down. Let's put one corner, make an L shape, and that's dramatically reduced the cost of the kitchen cabinets without really impacting the amount of storage space in the unit. So that's the way we've cut some of the cost while still creating a finished turnkey look for this apartment. All right, we're now in one of the main floor 3-bedroom units in this property, and you can see we have a ton of building material in here. We've removed all the existing flooring. We have quite a bit of vinyl plank we've ordered for the entire 3 units that we're renovating. Drywall that we've ordered to replace all the drywall in the bathrooms. So everything's here. Progress is happening quite a bit. If you follow me over here, so you can see the existing kitchen in this unit was actually in decent shape. It was replaced by the previous owner just a couple of years ago. But what we decided to do is remove the backsplash, remove the countertop. We're gonna get a nice quartz countertop in there. And we're even adding laundry into this unit. So one of the features we love to add into our rental units is a stackable laundry unit. And even when we're preparing the property to sell, since it was reasonably possible to add it, since we were already doing plumbing work in this unit, we decided to add it because now whoever buys the property will be able to rent it at a premium rent because it comes with in-suite laundry. So if you follow me over here, you can see there's chunks of the floor that we've cut out, and the reason for that, This property is built on a concrete slab with 2x12 joists just right above the slab, and the entire home is built on it. There's no basement, no crawl space, so to speak. So all the plumbing was actually hidden under the subfloor, and we actually had a leak in the plumbing. So we had to open this up, find the leak. It was a drain pipe that was corroded right through. So we replaced, any damaged plumbing we could find down here so that it's going to be good to go for the next 5-10 years for the new buyer. And we made sure to repair anything we could find. In here, you can see this bathroom also. We've gone ahead, removed the old tile, removed the old tub. This is the new tub that's already been installed. We removed the tile that was on the floor, removed the vanity. So we're gonna go ahead and update all of this to look really fresh. Nice bathrooms and nice kitchens go a long way when it comes to selling a property, and even for an investment property, it goes a long way to get top dollar rent. And our hope is that because of all these renovations, the potential buyer is going to see this as a property as, hey, I can just rent it out right away, get top dollar, get some cash flow. And our hope is that that allows us to sell it for a premium amount. I hope you enjoyed our little tour of this multifamily property that we will be selling in the next little bit. If you are interested in flipping properties, or maybe you have a rental property that you're looking to sell yourself, definitely check out our free beginner's guide on the top 5 mistakes to avoid when selling an investment property. I go into some of the principles that we're implementing here to be able to get top dollar when we sell this property. If you have any questions, definitely comment below, like and subscribe. All the best.